Folding phones are becoming a new trend that makes many smartphone brands make their own folding phones. Not limited to Samsung alone, now newcomer brands such as Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and OnePlus are also enlivening the folding screen phone market. So, what are the recommendations for the latest and best folding cell phones 2025? Let's just look at some of the best, latest folding smartphone recommendations, which are still worth it to buy in 2025. First, there is the Huawei Mate X6, which carries an ergonomic design with a weight of only 239 grams. This phone feels light in the hand, both in folded and opened conditions. The thickness when opened is 4.6 millimeters, while the thickness when the phone is folded is 9.85 millimeters. The screen uses a 7.9-inch dual-panel LTPO OLED. In addition, the rear camera consists of three types, namely the main 50-megapixel, 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 48-megapixel telephoto lens. While the front camera is 8 megapixels, the kitchen is powered by Kirin 9020 and has a battery capacity of 5,200 mAh. Meanwhile, the memory capacity ranges from 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage to 16 GB RAM with 1 TB storage. Huawei Mate X6 price, starting from $1,703. Here are the excellent features of Huawei Mate X6. First, thin, elegant, and waterproof body. Second, OLED LTPO folding screen with high brightness level. Third, functional triple camera configuration, plus 2 front cameras. Fourth, reliable performance of system-on-chip Kirin. Fifth, lightweight silicon carbide battery supported by 66-watt fast charging. After the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, Samsung is now releasing its latest generation that carries the same title as the special edition. Advantages over the regular series, this phone is indeed slimmer and thinner. The screen already uses AMOLED 2 ultra-flexible glass, which replaces the ultra-thin glass screen feature, where the screen is wider. One thing that stands out the most in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition specifications is in the camera sector. Samsung embeds a 200-megapixel resolution camera in this smartphone. While the regular series only uses a 50-megapixel main camera, thanks to that large resolution, it is able to present clear images. The performance is getting tougher with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, where previously this chipset was first paired with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra series. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition price, around $1,886. Here are the excellent features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. First, it has superior body resistance to water depth. Second, the screen display is sharp and brilliant with a dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Third, there are USB display out and Samsung DeX features. Fourth, 3 functional cameras on the back, including a telephoto camera. Fifth, supported by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 comes touted as one of the heavy competitors of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Even the design is very light and thin. When folded, the dimensions are only 159.37 by 73.1 millimeters. When opened up to 180 degrees, the size is not so wide at 159.37 by 143.1 millimeters. Even the thickness is only about 9.47 millimeters when folded and 4.59 millimeters when opened. The weight is very light at around 226 grams. The most prominent advantage in this Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 is in terms of the camera. Unmitigated, Xiaomi embeds 4 of the best cameras from Leica on the back of the smartphone body. Regarding performance, this phone relies on Snapdragon Gen 3 and graphics from Adreno 750. The storage capacity has two choices of RAM type LPDDR5X with a capacity of 12 GB and 16 GB. Then there are still more choices of internal memory capacity with UFS 4.0 type, including 256 GB, 512 GB, up to 1 TB. Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 price, starting from $1,216. Here are the excellent features of Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. First, folding phones with a thin design concept. Second, fast performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Third, stereo speakers with clear and high-quality sound. Fourth, abundant photography features. There is a telephoto periscope supported by Leica technology. Fifth, equipped with 67-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless. Seventh, the screen size is larger than many of its competitors' folding phones. The OnePlus Open boasts an impressive design with a 7.82-inch Foldy Fluid AMOLED main screen with 2K resolution and a 6.31-inch Superfluid AMOLED outer screen. The brilliant built-in screen and stereo audio advantages make it ideal for multitasking. In terms of cameras, OnePlus Open stands out with a powerful external camera array, including a 48-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Despite the focus on photography, high performance is derived from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 16 GB of RAM, enabling seamless multitasking. OnePlus' well-integrated product ecosystem and 67-watt fast-charging day battery performance make the OnePlus Open an attractive option for users looking for a combination of sophisticated design and powerful performance. The price of OnePlus Open starts from $2,372. Here are the top features of OnePlus Open. First, OnePlus's first phone with a horizontally folding screen. Second, OLED displays on both sides with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Third, triple rear camera configuration with color calibration from Hasselblad. Fourth, USB-C 3.1 port with display out support. The smartphone, which just launched in October 2023, is the latest foldable phone you can choose. It has a main screen with a stunning 7.82-inch LTPO3 OLED panel, high resolution, and peak brightness reaching 2,800 nits. While its cover screen, measuring 6.31 inches, is protected by ceramic guard. The operating system runs on Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2 interface, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and octa-core processor. In terms of photography, the smartphone stands out with a Hasselblad triple camera configuration, including a 48-megapixel wide lens, a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. The front is equipped with a 20-megapixel selfie camera and a 32-megapixel shutter camera. For durability, a non-removable 4,805 mAh battery provides reliability, while 67-watt wired charging enables fast use with 1 to 35% charge in 10 minutes. The price of Oppo Find N3 starts from $1,819. Here are the excellent features of Oppo Find N3. First, unique design foldable screen phone. Second, AMOLED display on both sides with 120 Hz refresh rate. Third, system-on-chip premium Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Fourth, rear triple camera configuration with color calibration from Hasselblad. Fifth, USB-C 3.2 port with display out support.